Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be sowing some basil. We've got some sweet pepper mix and some other chilies. These seeds are out of date by a few months, but I think they still will grow quite well anyway. So yeah, we've got some in some diluted tea here for about 12 hours. These are hot wax chilies from Tony C. Smith. I'll put a link to his channel in the cards in the top right hand corner. So yeah, these were given away, so I've got a few there. I've saved a few just in case these methods don't work, because I haven't really grown chilies that often before, so I've only grown like a few plants and and didn't get much crop off them. So yeah, I'm going to try this year. I've got some, didn't have any vermiculite or grit, so I've got some budgie grit that I can use for the garden. This is a pound from Wilco. It's got no additives or chemicals in it, so it should be alright. So it's just a bit of grit and broken like seashells in it from the looks of it, so that should be alright, just to like top dress the chilies. So what I'm going to do is, this is Jack's Magic. It's quite fine, partially sieved. So yeah, I've got some labels as well, so I'm just going to fill these little trays. That's how big they are. They came with my grey light, so yeah, just fill these up. If you're new around here, click that subscribe button, it really does help, and leave a like as well. And the last video where I asked you what other videos you'd like to see, it's quite a good response. Many of you suggested what other things you'd like to know and video ideas. Quite a few of you said just do what I want to do, and you just wanted to see what I'm doing, which is all good. I just wanted people's opinions on what sort of videos they would like to see. So well, I think I actually just need a bit more in these. I think I just put them underneath the surface. Starting these quite early because I've heard that you have to start them early because with a short season. So let's do the basil first. Open it up. That's if I can open it. There we go. Some little black seeds in there. So I'm going to do these in this middle one here. I'll sprinkle them all out. Might as well use them all, and I can prick them all out. It's going to be quite crowded, but if there's any that are too close together, I can just prick some out, and you can just use the little shoots on a salad or something. So that's them. So I'm gonna, if I can get a sieve. This sieve isn't the best, it's got a hole in it there, but we'll use this one because it's finer than the other one. That should be good. Put that sieve down there. Basil Sweet Green, that's the variety if you wanted to know. So yeah, put that label in. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'll quickly, instead of sawing it, I'll just snap it. It should be easier, just to make them shorter. Put that over there. Instead of sawing it, it should just be quicker, just so it sits in nicer. Just gonna use a little pot to tap it down. We're now over 330 subscribers now, I believe, so thank you very much for that. We're growing quite fast. Should be able to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year, which is quite amazing to think about. So Yeah, that's basil sweet green. That will need a water in later. Let's put that on top of the vase. Now I think what I'm going to do is these hot wax chilies. So I'm just going to get a label. Putting them in this tea is supposed to help them germinate better, so I'm just trialing it out with these seeds. I don't think that's how I'm supposed to do it. Let me get another label and then I can do it a bit easier. There we go. Has that done it? So I'll try and get these out one by one. This is proving difficult. I don't think I've quite got the... I think I'm supposed to let these things dry, but I'll manage. Should be able to do this. As you can tell, I'm no expert at chilies or peppers or anything like that. I think I've only grown peppers before from saving seeds from shop brought peppers. That's it, once. That's that. I'm going to slowly do the rest of these. Try and get them in some sort of line. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in about 5 minutes. So I've managed to sort that out now. No, they're not even the right labels for it. So yeah, thank you to Tony for giving away these seeds. Hot wax. So put that in. So I'll get some compost, just a little bit, and just only a very light covering should do. And then I'll get some of this grit, and I'm gonna do half grit, just to see what it does. So got some grit. So put that on, just a thin layer. Tap it down. It's quite neat. So yeah, we'll see if the budgie grit does do alright. So let's move on to the other chilies now. I'll just put that one there as well. So let's see with the other chilies. I'm going to do half in one and half in the other. So these ones haven't soaked or anything. These are just being planted out of the packet. So we'll see if these germinate. I think I'll just do all grit all over these because I'm not bothered if they don't really grow. Got quite a few seeds in here, so I might be able to do some more later on in the year if these succeed. And I'll stick into the bottom. So just sprinkle them out, spread those out because they're a bit clumped together. I think what I'm going to do to know which side is which is I'm going to get, so that's the chili pepper, and the chili pepper one's going, snap that off a bit. So the chili pepper one is that side, and that's where the label is, and then the other one obviously is the other side. If not, I'll be able to look at this video and tell. So these ones from DT Brown. So let's open these up. Don't look like there's that many in here. Oh, looks like there's a few. I think that's it. Sprinkle those over. Don't matter if one crosses into the other. Oh, I need to sieve this, don't I? Don't matter if one crosses into the other side. I'm not really bothered. It would help to prevent it though. So that's sieved over. Got some grit. I think that should be enough. Spread it out. Do a bit more, just a little bit more. We don't want to do too much grit. I think it's just to help with the soil, and so the seedlings are less likely to rot off. So that looks quite neat. So they'll probably go under my grow light. I've got these other two here. So we've got the basil, the Hungarian hot wax. We've got the sweet pepper, and I've got the other variety, that chilli. So the variety of the chilli is that, I don't know how to say that, if I can focus. So yeah, that's a variety of the chilli with the sweet pepper. We've got the hot wax chilli, and we've also got the basil seed as well. So thank you to Tony for sending us these seeds for the hot wax. And if you're new around here, click that subscribe button to follow with what we're doing. Got many videos coming out as well. There's other videos up on screen for you to watch as well, so watch one of those next. And yeah, leave a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye everybody.